Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm explaining this CAT 2017 RC question. This is a question which deals with the primary purpose of the author of the passage. Now, what is the primary purpose of the author of the passage in the given case? Here the passage is about Vikings. The whole passage revolves around Vikings, right? And it tells us that in general we perceive them as pillagers and plunderers, but that is not the case. Before they turned to pillaging and plundering, they were actually traders, right? So that's what is implied. The author does not deny that they were not pillagers and plunderers. The author says before they turned to pillaging and plundering, they were actually traders. The passage is not about the presence of reindeer antler combs. This is not the primary subject. The primary subject is Vikings. To contradict the widely accepted beginning date of the Viking age in Britain, in fact, the beginning of the Viking date for the Viking age, right? The beginning date is actually used by the author as a fact to strengthen his argument, not weaken it, right? To challenge the popular perception of Vikings as raiders by using evidence that suggests their early trade relations with Europe, right? Now, in this given case, in this particular question, right? The author of the passage, what has he done? The fact of the matter remains, he's tried to prove that we generally perceive Vikings as raiders, but actually the evidence suggests that their early trade relations existed. They were traders before they turned to pillaging and plundering. Hence option number C is the correct answer. D, to argue that besides being violent pillagers were also skilled craftsmen and efficient traders. There is no implication that they were skilled craftsmen and efficient traders besides being violent pillagers. The fact of the matter remains, what we are told is before they started pillaging and plundering, they were traders. So they predated that, not besides. Option number D implies that they were pillagers as well as craftsmen as well as traders. All these things happened at the same time, not implied by the passage. A, B and D are ruled out. Option number C is the correct answer. So this is the reasoning behind this question. Hopefully so you're clear with why option number C is the correct answer here and why options A, B and D violate the information given in the passage. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.